On this video for Premier Plasma, we'll be going over how to set up your router, tools, and create a cut path to go into Mach 3 to do wood routing. First, you're going to want to open up SheetCam. Next, we're going to go File, New Part. We're going to bring our part in. I'm going to be doing a very simple welcome sign. There's our welcome sign. We're going to open that up in the SheetCam. Inches bottom left. So there's our welcome sign. Now what we're going to want to do is go up to Options, Machine. We're going to want to turn rotary cutting on. Then we're going to want to go to Post Processor. We're going to want to click on this Post Processor, and we're going to want to change it to Mach 3 Plasma. Then we're going to hit OK. Now, as you see on the left side down here, there's a couple new operations and a new tool. So first we're going to create our tool. We're going to name this 1/4 inch diameter mill router bit. Tool number. Diameter is 1/4 inch. Flute length we're going to leave at 1 inch. Depth per pass, we can leave that at 0.2 inches. Feed rate, we'll start at 80. Plunge rate, 40 is fine. So we're going to hit OK. Next, we're going to do our operations. So you have two different operations down here. You have a contour operation and you have a pocket operation. So we're going to start off with a contour so you can see how it looks. So we click on that. Outside offset, layer. We're going to do our layer 1. Start depth, cut depth. Your cut depth will depend on the thickness of material. So let's say we're doing some 3/8 plywood or 3/8 MDF. I'm going to put that at 0.38, and I'm going to put a 5 at the end to have it cut a little bit deeper. We'll leave our depth per path the same. Feed rate will move down to 80. Now your feed rate may be faster or slower, it just depends. So we'll hit OK. So now as you can see, this is how it's going to look. Basically the green line is the width that your bit will take out. So now if we click on this operation again and do inside offset, it's going to look like that. Click on it again, do no offset. It'll look like that. Now we'll go down here to create a new pocket operation. So in here we're going to want to do spiral pocket first. Layer 1, our cup depth, we're going to do 0.385. Depth per pass. Step over, I like to set that at about 90. Feed rate, we'll set it 80. And hit OK. So now this is going to cut out all this and just leave the welcome raised. If we click on here and do zigzag pocket, it's going to be basically the same thing. So we'll turn this one back on. Do outside offset. Let's say if this is how we want it to be, we're going to go up here to P to post process this. Save it as welcome sign. Router. Save it. Then we'll go into Mach 3. Low G code. There's our welcome sign, router, tap. We'll open that up. Now we're going to want to move our router to the section of the table where we want to start. Zero out the X, Y, and Z And then we're going to lower our Z-axis until it's right, barely touch the material. And then we'll zero our Z out. Now we're going to want to turn the router on and start. Now, inside of SheetCam, let's say you want to go back to metal mode. We're going to go Options, Machine. You can leave the rotary cutting selection tool on, but we need to change our post processor back to Premiere Plasma. So go back up here to P, Premiere Plasma right here, and hit OK. And now, when we bring our new object in, we'll be able to do our create a new jet cutting operation, plasma 80 inches per minute, and we'll be able to cut it out of metal. Thanks for watching.